Hanuman finds Lord Shaligram's idol. Once, Hanuman was returning from the Himalayas after placing Dronagiri at its original place. On his way back, Hanuman thought of resting for a while. He took his bath in river Gandaki. While he was coming out of the river, he saw an idol of Lord Shaligram, a form of Lord Vishnu. Hanuman thought of taking the idol with him. It symbolized Lord Shaligram's blessing to him. He then flew back towards Lanka to join Ram. On the way, he crossed a pilgrimage center named Kamal Tirth. He thought, "It is almost evening. I need to perform my prayers. But how can I do it holding this Shaligram's idol? I know it should not be kept on the ground." So, Hanuman started searching for a suitable person. He could not leave the idol on the ground. He started roaming here and there, but could not find anyone. Hanuman hands over idol. Hanuman was in a fix. He was already getting late to perform his evening prayers, but he could not find anyone to hold the Shaligram's idol. What will I do now? I have never missed my evening prayers, he sighed. Suddenly, Hanuman's eyes fell on a divine woman who was praying at the pilgrimage spot. He requested her to hold the idol for a while so that he might perform his evening prayers. The woman agreed, but asked him to return soon. Hanuman started his worship and began chanting Ram's name. He was so deeply immersed in his prayer that he forgot everything else. He even forgot that he had assured the woman he would return soon for the idol. Finally, when Hanuman finished his prayers, he opened his eyes. He was startled to see a huge mountain in front of him. He wondered how such a gigantic mountain came at that place. Shaligram's idol becomes a mountain. Hanuman had completely forgotten about the idol of Lord Shaligram and the woman who was holding it. When he finished his prayers, Hanuman was shocked to see a huge mountain in front of him. A puzzled Hanuman asked the woman what had happened. She told him that she kept the Shaligram idol on the ground as he was taking time to complete his evening prayers. The idol had turned into this huge mountain. Hanuman became sad. He had already once lifted the huge Dronagiri. So he tried lifting this mountain too. He thought it would be rather easy to lift this mountain as it was not so huge. But contrary to his assumption, he could not lift the mountain at all. His failure to move this mountain an inch even made him wonder about this odd circumstance. He also began to wonder about the divine woman. Hanuman meets Goddess Mahalakshmi. When Hanuman started wondering about the woman who held the Shaligram's idol, a divine voice whispered in his ear, It said, Hanuman, this pious woman is Goddess Mahalakshmi. She is doing penance here to unite with her husband, Lord Vishnu. Vishnu, who had taken the Narsimha avatar, had disappeared in the form of a Shaligram after slaying Hiranyakashipu. The voice continued. Vishnu wanted to bless his devotees while staying here. This incident was planned by Vishnu himself. You were chosen to carry his idol. This place will now be known as Namagri Kshetra. The divine voice further lauded Hanuman's sincere efforts and appreciated his devotion towards Lord Ram. Hanuman was offered a boon too. After Lord Ram's return to Vaikunth, his heavenly home, Hanuman had to come there and be in the service of Lord Narsim. Hanuman was grateful to Lord Narsim and Goddess Mahalakshmi for their blessings.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.